How we doing, Good Vibe Tribe? Matt Alexander from EnjoyTheJourney.today here with my main man Wilson Flynn, and we are excited to announce the Good Vibe Tribe Caravan from San Diego up through Utah, up to Wyoming and Idaho for the Teton Valley Vanlife Diaries gathering. I'm super excited to see what Matt and Amanda and the awesome people at Vanlife Diaries have put together for us. But until we get there, I'd love for you guys to join us on our route. We're going to be hitting places like Big Bear Lake in California. We're going to be hitting Zion National Park in Utah. We're going to be doing a pop-up meetup in Salt Lake City. So any part that you can make, I'd love to have you. Check out more information on my website. It is enjoythejourney.today/Good Vibe Tribe Caravan. Until next time, enjoy your journey, my friends.